Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arjan. Today is going to be somewhat of a rest day or stationary day, as I'll be in Limburg and parts of Belgium because I will be staying for 2 nights at the same fiets host. So that gives me the opportunity to go ahead and just travel without too much luggage, and that was very nice. I thought I'd start off the day very easy, but this is Limburg, the only province that really has some substantial hills. And this was a pretty steep one right at the start, and it was pretty slippery as well, so it was a bit sketchy at times. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Now the plan today was to climb the Keutenberg and then go on to climb the Cauberg near Valkenburg. Unfortunately, I have no footage of either ascents because I couldn't mount the Cauberg due to roadworks, and yeah, my GoPro just didn't work on the moment that I was climbing the Keutenberg. I don't know if you know the workings of a GoPro, but typically it'll give you a sound once you hit record, and a sort of a double sound if you've stopped recording. And so whenever that happens, I'm pretty much satisfied with the setup. But it does seem that sometimes I have a hiatus of an hour or something in my footage, and yeah, so that's becoming more and more frustrating. I don't know if it's down to my memory cards, though they're officially approved, or what it is, but yeah, it's most unfortunate. I don't know if you can actually see this, but there was a little bit of an accident down the road. A little van hit a ditch, trying to probably avoid a crash, but in the end ended up in the ditch himself. Everybody was unharmed, but there's always a bit of a scare, of course. I'm about to enter what used to be known as neutral Moresnet, tiniest of little countries. It was about maybe 5 kilometers long and 2 wide, and existed from about 1820 to 1920-ish, something like that. Um, of course, it was famous because there was an important zinc mine, so a few of the countries around had some interest in it. It has changed hands over time a few times. It's now fully incorporated by Belgium. Now, as I'm about to approach ice again, it's time to sum up the day. I think it was an absolute brilliant day. Had lots of fun in the hills in Limburg and also in Belgium, and it was also very nice to not plan as much, not fuss around with too much luggage and all that. So that was good. Tomorrow is going to be a different ball game, though. I'm still contemplating whether or not I'm going to drive the whole 175 kilometers to my mom's place all at once, or if I'm going to do it halfway and take a train, or I don't know. All depends on the weather. So we'll see. But for now, I'm off. Bye.